Well, hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to use Ignition to automate client onboarding. If you're a professional service provider, you know that the honeymoon phase with a new client can quickly become ruined by messy paperwork, slow contract signings, and the awkward "how do I pay you" conversation. In this video, we're mastering the art of the frictionless start. We're doing a deep dive walkthrough on how to use Ignition to automate client onboarding so you don't have to break a sweat. So whether you're a solo bookkeeper or a scaling agency, this will be a guide for a professional automated onboarding experience. So if you want to try Ignition yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to start your free trial and simplify proposals, payments, and client onboarding. Now, before you send your first automated proposal, you need to build your foundation. Think of Ignition as a high-performance vehicle. The dashboard is where you steer, but the library is your engine. So start by navigating to the services library. On the left side panel, you can look over under management and you get to services. And this is where you transform your abstract expertise into tangible products. Instead of typing out what you do every single time, you can go over to this. You create service items. For every service, you can define a clear description, set a price, and even link it to a specific general ledger code in your accounting software. This ensures that every time you pitch a monthly SEO audit or a quarterly tax prep, the language and the price stay perfectly consistent. So either you're using from the options here, or you can go over to the new service and follow through with the processes. Also, Ignition for the price has an analyze feature. This is an AI-powered feature that helps you to analyze based on your service name and your description, and it compares it with industry standard pricing to know if you're overcharging or you're undercharging, and thus advises you on the best price model to use for your service. Next, you'll need to go to the terms section under templates. So we have templates, click on the drop down and click on terms. Automation is only good as its legal protection. So here you can upload your firm's standard terms or go ahead and use Ignition's industry standard templates. You can see the industry standard engagement terms by default, but of course you could go ahead and create your new template. By using placeholders, the system will automatically inject the specific details of each deal. But if we're using the term template, for example this one, the system uses placeholders like client name, total fee, and the system will automatically inject the specific details of each deal into a legally binding contract. Once this is set up, you never have to write a contract again. The system generates it dynamically based on what the client selects. Now let's go to the heart of the action, the new proposal builder. If you go over to proposals, this is where the magic happens. When you initiate a new engagement, you're greeted with a streamlined workflow that moves through 4 key stages. If you click a new proposal, you'll be going through your introduction, your services, pricing, payment, terms, signing, and next steps. And while these are just a preview of what you've been doing, you'll be coming over here to follow through with each of these sections to create your proposal. For the client right here, if you click on the drop down, you can create a new client or sync it with client from Xero or other accounting softwares you might have used before. Then of course you could decide to put in the contract start, the contract term, contract length, and then of course you have your introduction. Provide the details of your service based on your proposal and you're ready to go. Then under the Services tab, this is where the onboarding automation truly shines. You can simply click on Add Services right here, and then you can select from a library of services which you might have done before, or if you don't have a service which you provided, or if you don't have a service which you created, you can simply click on Create Service and put in the details of the service you're providing. The next is the Payment tab. This is the most critical part of the onboarding automation. Here, you toggle the required payment method switch. You can switch between credit debit card or ACH transfer. Then this here is another neat feature by Ignition to help you stay away from the awkward payment hurdle. Here it says require payment details. Client must provide payment details to accept. So if they really want to accept your proposal, then they should be able to put in their payment details if they're ready to deal with you. And then of course you have the terms and signature section. This is where we're talking about putting your engagement terms or selecting from the industry standard provided by Ignition. So of course, if you have others, you'll find them here. And of course, if you want to edit the template, you can click on this and make your edits. Now, once everything here is filled, you have the review and send option ready to go. When you hit send, the client receives a sleek branded email. When they click through, they aren't looking at a boring PDF. They are entering a digital client portal where they can review the services, watch a personalized video greeting if you've embedded one, and select the preferred package based on your services. The onboarding is frictionless because it's a single flow process. They review the scope, decide with a finger or mouse, they enter their payment info, and boom, the onboarding is complete. There is no back and forth. No, I'll send a check next week. Everything is ready to go. At this point, I'd like to remind you that if you want to try Ignition yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to try it out for free and simplify your proposals, payments, and client onboarding. Now, moving away from the proposals, the onboarding doesn't end when the client signs. That's actually where the work begins. This is where you head over to the integrations hub. So if we go over to the account section and then click on apps, you'll find apps which you can integrate with. For example, if you use Xero or QuickBooks Online, the sign-off triggers an automatic creation of the client record and the invoice schedule. No manual data entry is required. So if you've set the payment to on acceptance, Ignition will immediately process the deposit and sync that payment record back to your books, marking the invoice as paid. But it also goes deeper. By using workflow integrations, you can connect Ignition to tools like Carbon, Financial Send, or Intuit. As soon as the acceptance happens, a project template is launched. The tasks are assigned to your team, the due dates are set based on the signing date, and your staff is notified that a new client is ready for kickoff. You have effectively automated the transition from sales to delivery without sending a single internal email. Now, once your clients are onboarded, you need a way to manage them. If you go over to clients, this is where you get to your client's dashboard. The client's dashboard acts as your command center. You can filter by active, inactive, archived, and leads, or you can simply leave it under all. If a client needs a change midway through their contract, you don't start over. You go to the specific client file and use the Adjust Scope tool. This allows you to add a new service or change a price, which then sends a mini proposal to the client. Once they approve that small change, their billing and your workflow updates automatically. This is how you handle scope creep, professionally and profitably. So why go through all this setup? Because manual onboarding is a silent killer of growth. Every hour you spend chasing a signature or manually typing an invoice is an hour you aren't spending on strategy or sales. By using Ignition to automate this, you're providing a Fortune 500 experience to your clients. You look more professional, you get paid faster, and your team knows exactly what to do the moment a deal is closed. It's the difference between a hustle and a scalable firm. Automating your onboarding isn't just about the technology, it's about the freedom it gives you as a business owner. We've covered how to build your services library, the steps needed to construct a high-converting proposal in the proposal builder, and how to link payments and workflows into one seamless chain. So if you want to try Ignition yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to start a free trial and simplify all your proposals, all your payments, and client onboarding. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.